Today's power word for your resume is meticulous.
What does it mean? How does it appear on your resume? How do you use it to make your resume powerful? Let's look at these and more.
Hi there, welcome to TELW the English Workshop with me, Manu, your English coach. In this series of resume vocabulary videos, we are going to look at power words that will make your resume stand out in the crowd. Remember, all power words are action words. They increase your chance of moving on to the next level in the hiring process. We are going to look at 4 things here: meaning, what the word really says and what you wish to say, how to make these power words work for you, how to use them practically. Be careful though, do not flood your resume with these power words. They will go wrong. Support your claims with your achievements. Meticulous means a person who is extremely careful while doing things, scrupulous, thorough. Such a person will not fail to notice anything.
If you like this video, hit the like button and share it. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the red subscribe button below. Don't forget the bell icon. Remember, when you're drafting your resume, you wish to look like somebody the interviewer would want to hire. You want to look professional, invaluable, dependable, and capable. At the same time, you do not want to hide your weaknesses to misguide the recruiter. Now let's see what this word really says.
Meticulous is a mere describing word. It just tells you who you are, not what you can do to benefit the company. So used alone this way, it simply tells a reader that it's a boast, a brag word, simply written to impress, and this will go against you. See, what you wish to say is, you are thorough and painstaking in your efforts to get the best final product. You can take advantage of this keen power of discernment and the knowledge you gain from that, and this good judgment will benefit the employer. Now, how can you say all these things? Simply use action words. Now let's look at some of the action words that describe meticulous. Detected, identified, noticed, resolved, like an issue for instance. And then what do? You write about your achievements, tell them what you did and how you noticed small errors that perhaps were previously overlooked or missed out. And because of that, the company made savings because of your efforts. If possible, give the rupee value, but be careful not to divulge any classified information. Now let's look at how this could appear on your resume. Noticed a flaw in the procedure which was long overlooked and because of which the department incurred process losses beyond the normal. Working on the flaw saved the department 418 man-hours per week. Now let's see how this is a very good entry. Look at the figures, 400 man-hours per week. Specific information? Now, you don't have to describe the flaw, that could be classified business information. And what about the nature of benefit? Man-hours saved. This makes it very objective. Thank you for watching this video, liking it and subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next video. Until then.